We get to go see the bunny now. Yeah, yeah, buddy.
With the car. Oh, okay. Yeah, because he wants it so bad.
Okay,
Where's it going?
Go see the bunny. Wait, isn't the bunny back there?
Yes.
Stir.
So the last 2 weeks, the time has stopped raining. My license. I know.
Don't listen to her.
She said I told you.
Vroom vroom.
I think that was what she said. Yeah, I know.
And turn. Gotta go see the bunny. You have to go see the bunny. You have to go see the bunny. You gotta go see the bunny.
It depends if things still recording.
Ooh, Ferrero show. Let's play a game, Tressa. It's called the walk up and down the aisle game.
Jenny, do you know how much this is?
See, the bunny's right there. It's right there. The bunny's right there. Right there. Tressa, get over here. Tressa.
No, what is your ice cream?
Your ice cream? Don't you mean my ice cream?
No.
It's all my ice cream.
No. I like that one.
This one?
The Reese's.
Me too.
And the Snickers.
And the Oreos.
And the Oreo.
I like the Oreo.
Overload. And the
Fudge swirl?
peanut butter tracks is what I want.
It's getting colder here. You're lucky. You have a jacket. Mine's over at your house.
I don't even wearing mine.
There it is. Bunny. Just wait. What does it do?
What?
The thingy. This? No. Forget it. People are just wondering, like, what the hell we're doing. Just like, what the hell are they doing? Look at the toilet. Hey, no.
Bye, Debbie.
No! Come here! Pink's here. You had to walk away? You had to?
Yes.
You're so mean! Get back over here! I was looking at my pimp gear.
So I saw him.
Meanery.
But they were going.
Is your mom in the car or did she go on some other thing?
And I said, go ahead. You're not answering.
Ah! I stepped on something. Dun 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 dun. Hey lady! Hey lady! Hey lady, open up! Okay, into sugar.
Bud Light. You know how badly it wants something to drink?
Don't sit on my foot.
Can I have some, please?
No.
I don't have rabies.
I do.
I don't know where your mouth has been.
It's in my mouth. Yeah, your mouth's been in your mouth.
Yeah. Because I'm just
Yeah.
that cool.
You're just that G. Your fly is a butt scratcher.
No, back scratcher.
Butt scratcher. It's a back scratcher. Butt scratcher.
Oh,
Oh, what's this?
tomorrow, okay?
Leave me alone. Arrgh. These don't work. Arrgh. Love is everywhere.
That has nothing.
Arrgh. White and blue ball. Warning. High energy.
So it's like $50.
And what are these? Are these just the lights?
Yeah.
Can I have this?
April 1st,
Those are weird lights. What does this bee do? These are obnoxious. I want one. Like, turn it on in the middle of school.